Hi everyone, welcome to my 2-minute video. Today we're going to look at, if you're in a cold country and you get ice and snow, how to make your wipers come up and be ready for you to activate. And we're going to find out within 2 minutes how to do it right now.
Mal's back talking Tesla. To see the enhancements made to my Tesla and how to update yours, please subscribe to the channel and you can message me with suggestions or for help.
Hi everyone, if it's your first time, nice to have you join us. Don't forget we're running a competition at some point, and if you do subscribe, make sure you put in the comments that you've subscribed so that we can keep a check and we know where to send the winnings when you might win. Right, people have asked me this question. As the wipers are in low down, if you look, the wipers have disappeared. Now, if we put the wipers up like that, they're up. But is there a way that you can have them up so that when they ice up, you can work around them and get around it? Of course there is. And what you do is this. First thing you do is you push the little car, and then you go over here to service, and you hit service, and then you look for, tucked right at the bottom, there it is, wiper service. You hit that button there, like so, and we're going to hit that simultaneously, and look, it keeps them up just here, which is great. Because now, as you see, you can go around the car, we'll have a look at it, you can now get to them as they're out of the window, accessible, and you can put whatever you need, de-ice them, or whatever you need to actually get break free, and then you're back in normal, just like that. That was easy, wasn't it? And to put it back, you just go through this procedure. You go to where the wiper service button is, like so, press it, it puts it back onto the window, and you're back where you needed to be. Anyway, I hope that's been helpful to you. Look forward to the next one. Stay tuned, take care, and be seeing you.
Thanks for watching, and do tell us in the comments section that you've subscribed, and we can then contact you if you're the winner when the prize is drawn.
Quack, quack, oops.